Hi besties, in this video I'm going to be decorating my dining room table. I want to show you guys the frame that I told you guys about. It's really big. I think it's beautiful, and I finally found some decor that will go with it, so I'm so excited to show you guys how I'm going to decorate my table. I'm going to start off by showing you guys the little owl that I found at Hobby Lobby. I purchased him for 75% off. He was the last one, and I'm so excited that I found him because of him. I just found like everything else on that same trip to Hobby Lobby. I literally stood in Hobby Lobby and told myself, okay, focus and try to find what's gonna go for your dining room table. And I literally found everything at Hobby Lobby. So if you guys are wondering where anything's from, it's all from Hobby Lobby except for that big frame. I did purchase that on an estate sale. I'm gonna show you guys that first, and then I'll show you guys the big owl. Here's my beautiful frame. I love that it's gold and it's such a big frame. Somebody painted it. It does have a signature on the bottom, on the corner. I think this is so beautiful. I love how the trees are so like yellow, like it's just fall time. This is kind of like Utah weather here. We can have snow in the mountains and it's like fall time down here in the city. I just think it's beautiful. Here's the owl planter from Hobby Lobby. It was $79.99, so I got it for $19.99 on sale. And I am going to be painting it black, you guys, because I do want to use the rub and buff on it. I like the gray color, but it just doesn't go with anything with my fall decor. So I'm going to go ahead and paint it. I struggled so much with decorating my table this year. My bestie gave me so many ideas, and I was actually going to change up all of the decor, take the frame down, but then I found the owl and I don't know, he changed everything for me. I'm so glad that I found him. And here's the rub and buff that I'm going to be using. I'm just going to be adding it to some parts on the owl. I'm not going to use the rub and buff on the entire owl just because I want to be able to see the two-tone, the black and the rub and buff. Now that I finished the owl, I'm going to move on to decorate this little wall right here next to my pantry. And you guys, I am so happy I finally found this pumpkin sign that I bought. I don't even know how many years ago at Michael's. I thought I had lost it or broke it because for the last 2 or 3 years, I haven't been able to find it, but I found it way back in my shed where I have a lot of my frames. And I couldn't believe I found it. I thought I had lost it or gotten rid of it, but I'm so glad to put it up here because I love this sign so much. I think it's so beautiful. I'm also going to be adding these pumpkins here just to add a little bit more decor to this wall. I really like how the decor looks right here. I love the happy pumpkin spice season sign, and these pumpkins, oh my gosh, you guys, they're my favorite. I think they look so beautiful. I'm gonna move on to clean my table next so we can decorate it. But you guys, I'm not gonna be adding any silverware or any like cloth napkins. Honestly, you guys, I don't want to buy cloth napkins because we don't ever use them. I just buy them for the video, and I just didn't want to purchase any. And besides, I've gone to Home Goods so many times this year, you guys, and I haven't really had any luck finding anything that I like. I struggled so much with decorating my table this year that I'm just really happy with how it came out. I hope you guys like it too. I think it's more simple than other years, but that's because I couldn't figure out what to do with my table. But I hope you guys like it. I think it came out beautiful as well, just like other years.
Open up the window. I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a giant ember. Everything is turning into gold when the autumn leaves are playing chase it, puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September. Since I was a little child, every year for as long as I remember, all the leaves were running wild, going all the way until November. Turn the world around us into gold when the autumn leaves are playing chase it, puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September. I wonder where they're going, the flight of swallows sailing through the sky. There's no way of knowing, but maybe someplace far from you and I. When the autumn leaves are playing chase it, puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September. When the autumn leaves are playing chase it, puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September. Dancing through the last days of September.
For my plates, I'm going to be using these. I've had them for many years. They're from Pioneer Woman. And I'm going to be using my turkey plates from Home Goods. I'm going to be using my buffalo check plates that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. They didn't bring these back this year. I only have a collection of 4 for each, the salad and dinner plates. So that's why I'm going to be using a different plate at the end of the table. just so it can all come together. And I think it came out really nice. And again, you guys, I'm just using things that I already have, so I'm just gonna be doing the best with what I have, because again, I've gone to Home Goods and I haven't found anything for fall this year. So I'm thinking that maybe they're gonna bring things out maybe in the next couple of weeks, because we are gonna be in September pretty soon here. So I'm kind of crossing my fingers. If I find anything, I will purchase them for my fall home tour. But if not, I'm just gonna keep it like this. I think it came out really nice as well. But I do want to buy the big dinner plates that match the turkey plate. So I'm gonna cross my fingers. Wish me luck, you guys. I've seen them previous years and I never picked them up, and now that I want them, they're not gonna come out, I'm sure. So we'll see if I find them or not. But I still think it came out really nice. I'm gonna show you guys my table. I think it came out beautiful.